Hi everyone, welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Elaina Berger, and today we are going to be talking about a website called Symbaloo. Symbaloo is a website platform where you can add specific websites and videos to the platform so that you can access them quickly and will not have to navigate other web browsers in order to find every website that you need. This is great for students and for faculty alike. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to open a new tab. Go to Google and type in Symbaloo. Hit the first one that pops up on your page. What you're going to do first is you can either go through the tour and then go from there, or for now we're just going to skip the tour and go to sign up. Pick the personal and get started. Then type in your email address, name, and create a password, or just hit Google, which is what I did, and it will have your email address and you create a password. The great thing about Symbaloo is that you can add whatever links you need. Up here are some already linked things that I had. So for example, this is a video that I linked and it comes straight to the video. It doesn't even take me off of Symbaloo. However, when you link articles or websites, they do take you off. YouTube is very user-friendly on this app. So let me show you how to add. You're going to click Add New Tile, and it shows you the URL and search places that you have. So it has a bunch of other apps on here that you can use. So let's say I want to add a YouTube video that I'm using because I'm going to use it in my lesson. And we are working on 2-digit subtraction without regrouping. So you're going to click on what you need. You can either go to the URL or you can click share, copy, and put it on a new tile. So then you're going to paste your URL and it will bring you straight to your video or your website. For example, I use this in my classroom with my students for a research project, nocturnal animals around the world. So I gave them a list of websites that they could use, and they got to click on the things that they needed. This can be used for all grades, and it can be used for yourself. This is very helpful to students that don't really know how to manage a computer or manage web browsers, and typing is very difficult. So I have my Nocturnal Animals website. I go and I add it, and now it is on my Symbaloo, and then when you click it, it takes you right to the web browser. This is super awesome for students that are still learning the computer, as well as yourself. If you have a lengthy lesson that day and you don't have time to go back and forth between your lesson plans to get those websites, you can place them here so that they are safe and sound for when you're ready to move on to the next thing. This is a great app for both you and your students. Links and tutorials for Symbaloo can be found under the Digital and Learning button on the SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button on your class link portal and open up your Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Online Learning button to find the apps and lots of other great tech tools. And make sure to meet us back here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Bye!